Headphones, headphones. Who wants some headphones? Headphones, headphones. Who wants the headphones? Do you want a headphone? Okay. Hi everybody. Thanks for joining us on another video review. I'm Tony, and today I'm going to show you another model that just recently came. It's called from the manufacturer AiAiAi, and this particular model is the wireless one. So AiAiAi is actually a company based in Denmark, in Copenhagen, and they're quite known for the flexibility of their headphones. So many of you may know this model. So that's the preset one all around. So the idea in their headphones is quite interesting and quite unique. What they're doing is they are selling you each part separately. So you have the headband, you have the cable, you have the ear pads, and you have also the speakers. You can combine them and you're going to have a Voltron, headphones. Make sure to subscribe, to hit the like button, I mean absolutely destroy the like button actually, and ring the bell to get notified for any of our future videos. Okay. So quite interesting. Okay, I accomplished that task. Okay, so here we have some documents. Dear customer, congratulations on your purchase. Sincerely, AiAiAi. Thank you, AiAiAi. So here we have the cable. As we said, it's C05, and as I mentioned, you can make a good customization on your unique style, your unique drivers, your unique. I believe there could be like more than 1,000 combinations that you can do, and it's quite interesting. So let's open that. Okay. Here is the new cable. It's actually quite nice cable. I mean, I absolutely like it. It's it really seems like high quality one, and also it has the possibility to have 5.3 millimeter stereo jack. So it will be good to see if we have like a adapter with that cable. The next one is the ear pads. Okay, so they are made of leather, not real one. They're quite soft. I mean, kind of like it. Here is the other one. Now we have the speakers. So as I mentioned, AiAiAi will be able to give you the option to create your own set. But what they have done is actually they created some packages, like some bundles, that they say, oh, those are good for DJ, those are good for going out, those are for casual listening, and it really depends on the prices. So, and finally we have the headband. Right. Okay. So it comes with the charge cable. Quite nice USB-C charge cable. Some manuals, some instructions. Please sign up for information about upgrades, new features, bugs, fixes, etc. So that's quite good. So they're really staying with you for the long run, and they are going to provide you some updates. So what we're going to do now is install the drivers. It's actually quite easy. But let me do it differently. Let me combine it with one of the others. So now you see we have the new drivers with the old ear pads. So you can actually really adjust. So now that I adjusted, I'm just going to really slides here to different side. Oh, here it is. I'm going to plug in the cable, do the same for the other one. Okay, so plug it in like that. And how do I power it on? Okay, so here we have a couple of buttons. Okay, so I turn on the middle one, and now it starts to blink. So now we have to pair it with the device. Let me go grab the device. Alright, so what we need to do now is find the device, pair it. Okay, I had it the opposite, so you have in the inside, you have right and left. Pair. So what I'm going to do now is play Spotify. So on the buttons on the bottom, like the first on the right is increasing the volume, and the one on the left is actually decreasing the volume. I kind of like it. I mean, I'm usually used to have it on the speaker, but now I have it above, so it's quite nice. Listening for several seconds, I can really tell that the bass is very nice. I mean, I like it's not really heavy. I mean, I'm quite used to for having a wireless headphones to be suffering a lot on the bass, but this one is absolutely quite nice, and I absolutely love the buttons. The pads are really soft. I would like actually to have the headband a little bit softer. All around ear design, so it really covers my entire ear. There is no pressure on the ear itself, so everything is around it. My ear is fully into the pad. Right, so I could really tell that AiAiAi have done quite a remarkable job, and I really like their idea to be able to have such customization. One thing which I really want to have as an improvement in future models is bringing more colors. At the moment we have only black versions, everything is black. I mean, AiAiAi, come on, we want color, we want color. Do you like the idea of having the freedom to fully customize your headphones? If like, then click the like button, of course. And also make sure to subscribe for any future videos, and really ring the bell to get notified for any future videos from the Tech Theory Cat channel. I was your host, Tony. Thank you. Take care.